Hi, I'm Robert Dutt for ChannelBuzz.ca here at VMware Forum Toronto with Sean Roseburn, Senior Director of Technical Services for VMware Canada. Sean, thanks for taking the time.
Thank you.
I want to talk a little bit about the hybrid cloud strategy you guys have. We've talked a lot about, obviously, about building the internal cloud or the private cloud for customers. We've seen VMware roll out its own public cloud service that connects up pretty seamlessly with that. The third pillar of that, though, is kind of the partner-offered hybrid cloud. I'm curious where you see that at in the Canadian market and the opportunity you see for VMware partners.
Yeah, thank you, Robert. I think it's a tremendous opportunity. The way we view it, we see our customers currently at maturing through the build-out of their private cloud. And as they build out that private cloud, they're going to look for pools of infrastructure that they can leverage to start to abstract from their individual data center and move it out to the public cloud. In offering that, our customers are seeing a tremendous advantage in hybrid cloud and having a common platform, including a common infrastructure platform as well as a common management platform, to allow them to really burst, DR, even run desktop as a service off a hybrid cloud policy. That being said, we've got taken a two-prong approach to market. One is to build a global offering in and from VMware in the vCloud hybrid service, and the other is to leverage a regional approach where we have our existing loyal partners who have gone and built a vCloud hybrid platform that they will offer out to our customers as well. Both platforms are identical, simply a choice to their customers of running a regional national footprint versus those that wish to run a global VMware platform.
And it's kind of run on one, you can run on any, is that correct?
Absolutely. So the concept is build it once, run it anywhere, whether it be private or public, and that is a true differentiator that we're bringing to market in the hybrid cloud space.
How do you see partners using that today, and what do you anticipate being the way partners are able to use this service going forward?
Well, I think today that a lot of organizations have gone out, and some channel partners have gone and built out co-location services, naturally migrated to managed services. And I think those managed services always operated in a silo as individual applications that were designated to run in the cloud. I think now the big difference with vCloud hybrid and vCloud Suite and the whole hybrid cloud service that's being brought to market is that you now have the flexibility to build it internally and then without retesting it, without replatforming it, actually be able to burst it to the cloud or run it to the cloud or even fail over in a disaster recovery scenario to the cloud. So it's far different from a level of service where a customer had to denote day one how they were going to run it to one that allows the flexibility through the life cycle to determine whether or not it should sit on-premise or off-premise.
Clearly, there's an opportunity for larger partners, the type of partners who have been and are looking at rolling out their own cloud over the last little while. I'm curious what you see as the opportunity for kind of the smaller rank and file VMware VAR or the MSP. I'm guessing there's probably an opportunity, particularly around things like DR.
For sure. DR is an opportunity. I also see two things. One, there's an opportunity for the existing VAR community to move to more of a cloud broker type of service and offering where they can look at what is available in the market and really become the package, central go-to-market for a lot of those services, making it a lot easier for their customers to procure various cloud services from various providers, including their own. I also see that there will be, over the next little while, probably a movement towards community clouds. So cloud services that are specifically offered to a given industry. Might be financial sector, might be government, might be education. But I do see a niche in that VAR space to build out an application platform that's proven, tested, and compliant specific to an industry. And that would bring significant differentiation from the existing public cloud offerings that are, in essence, everything to everyone.
All right. Appreciate the time. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert.